How to find if your computer has an SSD or an HDD. So hey guys, if you are also wondering if your computer contains an solid state drive or a hard disk drive and you don't know which is it, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow the easy steps listed out in this video and you will eventually find out whether your computer contains a SSD, HDD or maybe a combination of both. So in order to start, there are basically three methods using which we can achieve this particular task. So using the first and most easiest method is that you simply use the task manager to find out about the same. To access the task manager, you can either press the shortcut keys of Control, Shift and the Escape key, or simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen and search for task manager, and under the best matches you might see the task manager application. So simply double click onto the task manager application and you can see this is the task manager right here. Now under the task manager you need to click onto this performance tab, and under the performance tab you can see this disk 0, that is basically my C drives and the D drives, which shows here SSD with the NVMe. So this is basically an NVMe SSD. So basically this is the NVMe SSD, and here you can also find the manufacturer of this particular SSD, that is the Micron. So basically this is a Micron SSD, and we have successfully confirmed that we have an SSD in our system and not an HDD. So now let's moving on to the second method, in which you can find the same information by using the defragmentation and optimize device option. So to access this particular thing, what you can do is simply repeat the options and onto the search bar simply type for optimize, and once you will search for optimize, under the best match you might get this option of defragment and optimize drives. So simply click on this option of defragment and optimize drives, and once we'll double click on it you can see that my C drive and the D drive are solid state drives. So these are basically a single SSD stick which have been fragmented into the C drive and D drive. So from here also you can confirm that my computer has an SSD and not an hard disk drive. If there would have been any hard disk drive, it would have appeared somewhere here. So now let's close this and move on to the third and last method. The third and the last method uses the PowerShell. So let's open up our PowerShell. Simply go to the search bar and type for PowerShell. Now from here you can see this is the Windows PowerShell. So simply double click onto the Windows PowerShell, and here I am in the PowerShell. So in the PowerShell you need to type the following command in the command line. The command is get and then a hyphen, then you need to type physical disk. Make sure that the G, the P and the D are in uppercase or in capital, and then once you have typed the exact command, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it has retrieved me with the particular information that I want. Here it says the friendly name, that is basically the name of our SSD. This includes the manufacturer name also, and then the serial number of the SSD, and from here you can see under the media types that this is a solid state drive. So that's how easily you can find the type of storage that your computer is using, be it an SSD or a HDD. So that's it for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.